is this question is related to our life. Arjuna asked some other question is related to our particular life. So always you need to correlate yourself with the question asked by Arjuna and what is the present situation or in the past life. It's always like happens in past life, you might have come across some particular situations. You need to correlate those situations to this particular question. So in that time, what is the action you have taken and what is the action is or the reply given by the Sri Krishna, you need to correlate, because it is not just Arjuna has asked something and Krishna has replied something. Whatever Arjuna asked, only for those questions Sri Krishna has replied in a elaborate way. It's not like by giving examples or by giving a generalized question or specific examples I have given and answered. So that journey will be there. Till that particular journey, we need to wait and keep all your questions and see that whatever the answers are there, you just try to correlate, and this correlation can help other people, because in society people, you are in many people are there in this particular group who are into manager position or who are into project leader positions. All these position related people, you can help your subordinates or young generation who are joining in the corporate life. These are the various situations comes. See, always employees carries two things, either corporate pressure or home pressure. Both they carry. It's always common is like they carry from home to office. They come to office with home pressure and also corporate pressure. They go back home with home pressure and corporate pressure. These are the two things they carry both ways. So always never it happens with the employees like chalo for corporate related I come to corporate, sitting in office only I take corporate pressure. When I go back home, only I will be taking up home related pressure. It will never happen with the people. They carry two things for here and there. So always you need to, in a better way, to guide all these new employees who are joining the organization, and also people who are already carrying both pressures. You should help them and come up in their particular lives. Okay. So thank you all, and we'll be meeting next Sunday. Any queries you can drop to Madam and also to me. Administrative related you can drop to me, and for specific subject related you can ping to Madam. Okay. Thank you all.
So Chandrasekhar garu, one last
Yes,
question andi.
Yeah.
In your DP, in your display profile of WhatsApp, you said that please contribute 100 rupees to government schools. So
No.
do you have any link where we can contribute for that? Thinking of
Actually,
helping.
the particular program was started in 2000. I'll share you that link. We are actually doing it
Sure. Endukante because
online for
the
that.
reason, sure. The reason is generally through Cognizant, through our outreach program, I generally visit government schools and teach them 8th, 9th class mathematics and English in the weekends before the lockdown.
Okay.
And now I teach on web on the internet. So thought I can help in this way also.
Yes, sir. Actually,
Thank you.
for that particular point, we before lockdown in the this year we couldn't able to go. We are actually working with 10 government schools in Mancheriala. We just wanted to start a e-learning center, but we e-learning center in
Sure.
all the
We'll be
10
part of it.
schools,
Yeah.
all the 10 schools, so that from Hyderabad also someone sitting. See, if those e-learning centers would have been successful for us, this is the period where we would have supported all the government students through e-learning centers. So we just had a plan to have that particular discussion. We want to start these e-learning centers. Someone like sitting in Hyderabad, we can coordinate those students. And also some students required the shoes related, books related. That particular link I'll share with you. You can read complete document. Then later you can contribute and also share with your circles. Okay, sir. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. And we'll get back to you on next Sunday.
Sure, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Would like to be
Thank
part of
you.
it.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
I'll
Thank
call
you.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Rajnikant
Thank
Garu,
you,
I'll call
ma'am.
you. Yeah, thank you.
Tappakunda, tappakunda.
Thank you
sir.
only.
Thank you a lot.
Yes.